Hey, kia ora. Yeah, today I am working on some, what do we got? AR3As. So I'll flip the camera around and have a look. There we go. I've given them a good test run, basically, to once I fix the mid-range and the crossover, having installed a new cap to replace the blown one. Yet the attenuators, they are quite loose and yeah, you're just needing some attention. So we'll probably pull those out, strip them down and see what I can do to remedy some better performance out of those. Options are also to run a bypass resistor past the wiper for the mid and the tweeter on each. So, but I'd kind of like, I'd sort of love to have them working. I even toyed with thinking about having a toggle switch to switch between the attenuators going and the bypass. But I think it's probably worth seeing how good they come up first. I don't know. That's what I'm sort of, yeah, seems logical to me, and right sort of feel to it. Keeps them authentic. What else? Pulled out the fiberglass just because, even though it's original, I don't think it's the nicest thing to have in an enclosure, health-wise, or yeah, it's a bit outdated now. So we'll put some bit more friendly fibre in there. Yeah, but hey, check out that cabinet. What a gem these cabinets are. That's how you brace a cabinet as well. Decently braced, as you can see right around there. Also a brace on the back of the front baffle there. Nicely braced across these top and bottom panels, the sides. Just decent bracing. It's the sort of cabinet that's going to come up so good with a bit of resonance dampening on these panels. Sort of surprising they didn't do that. I guess they thought, oh, we've braced it so well, we don't need that. And there was sort of a generous amount of the original fiberglass fill in there, so I guess maybe I don't know, that was all they decided to do in those days. We're talking the 70s, so that's almost 50 years ago. That they were doing these 45, 50 years. So hopefully we've made some progress. But gosh, for that era, just the crossovers in these they must have been such a quality crossover in the day when they were first released. Real decent air core inductors right through. This cap here that feeds the tweeter, we'll replace that. It's probably, I don't know what age that one is, but we can certainly do better for the tweeter. Yeah, that's about it really for now. I'm looking forward to doing the resonance dampening, and I'll do the back